I know I'm not Alex Hormozi, but let me tell you why this is still an Alex Hormozi video. This is a quick announcement to all the Alex Hormozi fans out there. I am officially launching the $100 million book club, and it's exactly what it sounds like. This is going to be a weekly virtual book club for any entrepreneurs who want to make more money by going deep into Alex Hormozi's business strategies. And guess what? We are kicking it off on Thursday, July 31st. And our first book, as you can already guess, is $100 million leads. Because over 90% of us entrepreneurs, business owners, our biggest number one problem still is not getting enough customers and, more importantly, not getting enough leads. So we really need to dive into this. And I want to be clear, this book club is for people who already own a business and are obsessed with anyone consuming Alex Hormozi content and just want to get better at generating more leads. And it's actually pretty perfect for any of you guys who are just wanting to start your own school community like I did, and you want to build it the right way and market it the right way, all while using proven frameworks in the $100 million leads book. And I'll probably just tell you one of the most powerful parts, and probably the part you're going to like the most: accountability. So every week we're doing a lot more than just discussing what we just read. We're making sure that everyone actually takes action on what we read and applied it to your business, hoping that you were able to drive more leads and generate more revenue for your business, and overall that we can all just learn together. That's the main point. All right, so how are you going to join the $100 million book club? All you have to do is just join Alex Hormozi School. That is the most exclusive online community for business owners and Alex Hormozi fans who are very serious about growing their businesses. That is where $100 million book club will live. And of course, once you're in, you'll get access to all the weekly meetings, schedules, and the discussions. But here is the thing: I will be capping on how many people can join the book club. So honestly, by now you should know if this sounds like your thing. If it is, you really want to sign up right now, because August 16th is coming soon, and I have a feeling that this is going to fill up really fast. Now, I just kind of hinted at it. Here are the future plans. We all know that Alex Hormozi is dropping his third book, $100 million Money Models, on August 16th. And we are obviously going to start a book club for that too. And the date that we start that book club will all depend on when everyone actually receives their copy of $100 million Money Models. But of course, we'll all be doing it together. Last thing, guys, do not forget to sign up for the $100 million Money Models live event happening on August 16th. As a community on Alex Hormozi School, we will be watching it together live, August 16th. And the link to register for this will be down in the pinned comment, down in the description. And to wrap it up, guys, I'll be honest, this really isn't for everyone. This is for people who are already in motion, already wanting to do something a little extra with their lives, wanting to grow their businesses. You've got a business, you have ambition, you just want a little more community, a little more discussion, a little more accountability. And this is what all of this is. All right, don't wait too long. The spots are actually very limited. Join the community. Make sure you register for the live events. The link is below. I'll see you guys in the $100 million book club, July 31st. See ya.